Anna Hill with Officially Unofficial, here to bring you an exclusive behind the scenes of Micron's Cleanroom Simulation Lab here at OCC. To give us a behind the scene look and talk to us about what this lab is going to mean for us here in the community is Professor Mike Grieb, who is going to be just telling us all about it. Tell us a little bit about you. What do you teach here at the OCC?
Well, sure. I'm a mechanical engineer and I teach mechanical technology, but lately I've been teaching electromechanical technology. So that's where you blend together electricity, programming, and mechanisms to create automated systems.
Okay. Oh, well, okay. Okay. So this must be super exciting for you to have the lab being built here.
Correct. Yeah, we're super excited. We've been waiting for something like this to come along for a long time, and it really timed out just perfectly that we were already in the works for making our electromechanical program, and then Micron announced, and it really just aligned very well with what they needed.
All right. So what do you say we show them a little behind the scenes of what it looks like now and the vision of what it's going to look like when it's done. So, all right, follow us.
This red steel that you see here 3 weeks ago was just out in the parking lot. So this is all brand new. This room used to be our bookstore. So we've moved the bookstore across campus. And what's going to happen up here on the second floor is that's going to become a whole clean room simulation lab. So it'll be everything that a semiconductor manufacturer would need, except we're not going to maintain the cleanliness because that's going to allow us to go in there without being suited up. It's going to allow bigger groups of people to be in there. So, but it's going to limit what we can do in there, but we'll still have all the same functionality of a semiconductor factory. So it'll be pretty cool. It'll be an exciting space to get people interested in this field. We'll be able to do tours, we'll be able to teach classes in there, and it'll be a really exciting time.
So that we'll be able to look at how the chips are built and all of that. Okay.
Yeah, there's going to be, I think, 5 tools, what they call tools. Each tool is almost $200 million. So they've got a whole bunch of devices on them.
How much of $200,000 tools?
And then overhead will be an automated, and I apologize, I don't know all the terminology yet, but an automated system for moving the semiconductor wafer between the tools. So that's just like they would have in the factory. And yes, you have a giant hole over here, which is for a very large freight elevator. So those tools that I told you about, right? Those $200 million tools are quite big, and they need a big elevator to get them to the second floor. And that's the hole they needed to put in there for it.
Gosh. All right, let's go.
Oh, I don't have the lights on.
Oh my gosh.
We'll just peek in here, okay?
Look at this. We have a little flashlight. This is okay. So what it?
So this is our regular machine shop right now.
Okay.
And what's going to happen here is that second floor that they're adding on that side, this is going to have a second floor also put in. And that's going to allow us to build an HVAC lab, a heating, ventilation, and air conditioning lab.
Okay.
Over on this end, by the windows will be a new welding lab. So we're adding a welding program to OCC. Another big deal with Micron is you have to build a giant building, right? That involves a lot of welded piping and so we need a lot more people that are able to weld. And one of the ways to learn that education is going to be at OCC starting in the fall of 24. I'll show you the other room because there's the equipment that's going to be down here is already in this other room temporarily if you want to take a look.
The behind the scenes look, you guys.
Yeah, so come on
Can we come in now?
Yeah.
We can come in. Okay. Oh, this looks familiar to me. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah.
So these are CNC machines. So this is a computer numeric control machine. It's an old abbreviation. And basically, we can program how this thing machines away metal using the computer and then just load it into this machine, load in the tools that are needed to make those cuts, and then it will automatically make a part for us. They have over here CNC simulators, so this allows them, for the students that aren't really ready for crashing
the real thing, right?
$40,000 machine, they can practice on here. They'll visualize it, be able to see the machine running it. It'll tell them when something bad happens.
Okay.
And as you can see, the controller is very similar to the one that's on the machine, and it's just a different brand.
So this has been great. Thank you so much for the behind the scenes. Stay tuned because as you heard, we're going to give you another behind the scenes once the equipment gets here. Thank you so much everyone for watching. My name is Ana Gil and I'm here with
Professor Mike Grieb.
Yes. All right, everybody. Thank you so much. Bye.